Okay, progress report. It's all done. All done. What I've done with the sensor is followed it back and put it under the frame there, because you need to be close when you're doing the settings to press the button and the brake pedal at the same time. Let's turn them on. And have a look. I haven't actually put any settings on yet, but that's the standard setting that it comes with. You can have it set so the brake light is just normal. There's up to 10 settings on it from what I can read, but I've yet to program it. It does engine braking and all sorts, so yeah, I'm well happy with that.